Well, apparently I missed this video. This is a response to me by a gentleman, Rusty2029, who decided to shoot his entire video to me with a dead bird. This is not only sickening, it's pathetic. But I'm gonna play the audio because I could have shot the video and did a response, but which I felt like doing. But honestly, people don't need to see a dead bird. That's pathetic. So let's let you talk.
Hello, all you happy people. I wanted to respond further to the Truth About Stuff's video and postings. He says science is the study of the natural world. Religion is faith in the supernatural. If it's supernatural, it's not science. Sorry to tell you, not teaching ID in school is not robbing people of anything. They can learn it outside of school, in the church, where it should be. I question your understanding of the supernatural.
I understand the supernatural hell of a lot better than you. Okay? I have spent years studying not only the supernatural in your faith, but the supernatural in other faiths. Okay? I've also studied the supernatural outside of faith. I've also studied history where the supernatural was an element of it. I understand supernatural more than you will ever understand. So don't try lecturing me on what is supernatural and what is not.
How is God supernatural if God is the reason we are all here?
First off, you can't prove that statement. Okay? That's a straw man argument. Number one. Number two, science relies on testability and fallibility. You must be able to present an argument. Okay? Here is something. Okay? Here is a way to test this something. And here are ways that you can prove that this something isn't real. Okay? With God, you don't have that. You don't have that fallibility. Okay? There's no way to test God. Therefore, it's supernatural. It's not scientific. How much more plain and simple does that need to be?
In other words, undirected chaos would be more supernatural than God.
No, it wouldn't. Okay? No, I'm sorry. Undirected chaos is not, first off, that's again a complete misunderstanding of science. Okay? It is directed, but not by an all-seeing, all-knowing, all-powerful being. Okay? There are laws. Where these laws came from is the natural order. Now, if you want to say that those laws came from God, well, then that's an argument that you can have. But the fact is, these laws exist. It's not completely, totally chaotic. It's not all in, there's not total chaos going all around. Sorry.
Chaos forms the Big Bang. Then chaos results in the fine-tuning of the universe, physical laws, molecular and chemical affinity, pure, godless chaos.
Science is agnostic on God. Science neither believes or disbelieves in God. All science does is say, here, we have something physical. Okay? Watch. We know why there's fire. Okay? We know what makes up fire. We understand fire. But can we control fire? No. But that's the fun of science. Wow. It used to believe, people used to believe that fire came from God. Okay? That we had to pray to the fire to hopefully keep it from going out. But that's not how science works. Science says we understand the fire. We not only can understand it, but we can make it, and we can repeat it. Do you know you can make fire out of air? Didn't know, bet you know that, could you? No, you didn't, did you? No, because, you know, there has to be a who behind a why. See, science doesn't believe in the who behind the why. Okay? And this is going to be a multi-part video here.
Happen to form all of that is around you. The complexity of the ecosystem. The interdependency of this planet's fragile ability to sustain life.
Again, just happened. The thing about it is that I guarantee that there is some other world in some other galaxy that has a different version of our ecosystem, and you know what? If they have people, you know, if they have creatures that are intelligent like we are, they're saying the exact same thing you are. And it means absolutely nothing. We know that there are life that can live off of methane. So there might be a planet out there where people live in nothing but methane. Does that mean that it's horrible or wrong? No, that's just the way they are. They breathe just like we breathe. There could be, we know that through plants that there are creatures that breathe carbon dioxide and put out oxygen. I wouldn't be surprised if there isn't a planet where they're worried about too much oxygen. Wow.
Chaos formed the first eukaryotic cell. And all
the first cells totally came out of chaos. Okay? They just happen to have happened. Since then, evolution took over. And evolution is not a pure chaotic means of anything. Okay? Okay? Need comes into existence. That bird that you're filming, this dead bird that you're filming, its ancestors were dinosaurs, you idiot. Chaos is part of the chaos concept, the chaos model, only exists until there's something to take control of the chaos in some manner. Okay? Dinosaurs became birds out of necessity. Not because some random mutation. No. There was a random mutation that seemed to be beneficial, that they went, you know, that those birds, you know, those dinosaurs that happened to have more avian type features started to live where the ones that didn't have avian features started to die. Jesus, man.
Evolved from the first mitosis of that cell in such a way that evolution could begin.
Abiogenesis, you idiot, look it up. Wow. This is not rocket science. In fact, it actually is rocket science. To somebody like you, it might as well be nuclear fission, because you're not going to take the time to actually learn anything. No. The fact is, the first cells came out of chaos. And then after that, evolution took over. Abiogenesis, look it up. And I'm not done here. This is only part 1.